Hello, Malangs! Today we're gonna make kimbap. Kimbap means kim is seaweed and pap means rice, so seaweed and rice. It's Korean roll. It has a little bit difference between Japanese sushi roll based on the seasoning we put in the rice and the ingredient. I grew up with this since I was a kid. Let's start with cooking rice. When you're washing rice, gentle and soft. And also make sure you're washing it until you can see through the water. It's not like foggy as you are seeing right now. It will take about say 1 hour usually cooking the rice. And we are using short grain rice. For bacon, I always cook it 350 Fahrenheit, about say 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. I like crispy bacon, but sometimes soft bacon do the magic. We have ground beef and serrano pepper. Yes, a lot of serrano pepper. We're gonna make a simple version of the beef bulgogi ground beef. We're gonna have beef ground serrano, minced garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar, and a little bit of the pepper as well. At the end of the day, if you keep in mind, it's three things. You can make it taste similar like a bulgogi sauce with soy sauce, garlic, sugar. From there, it's a matter of the ratio. Depends how much ingredients you're using, what taste you're looking for. You can adjust, keep tasting it. Of course, don't eat the raw meat just like that. Cook it and taste it, and then adjust the flavor. Here we have a ground pork. We're gonna make this taste almost like gochujang bulgogi. Gochujang, I've noticed that not so many people carry those at home unless you're Korean. So I'm gonna show you a different method to make it. So find any chili pepper. The fine grounded is better. If not, just regular chili pepper is still fine. So from there, you're gonna add garlic, soy sauce, sugar. Here I'm gonna use cane syrup and mix it well. Traditionally, kimbap will come with ham, egg, pickled radish, bardock, spinach, stir-fried carrots. You see, a lot of vegetables in it. But for myself, I'm skipping all those vegetables and make a meat kimbap this time. You see, if you have any other ingredients you want to put it in, put it in. Doesn't matter. As long as you like it, who cares? Just one note today. Any ingredients you're cooking, make sure they are cooled down before you are putting in the roll. Because if that ingredients are so hot, it's the temperature we're gonna raise the temperature while they're inside the rolls, which we're gonna cause the roll itself we're gonna age really fast, and we're not gonna have a great taste. We're gonna start losing the texture. And B, if you're planning to take it for, let's just say, work or school or even picnic, you're gonna get bad soon. So make sure you cool it down first before you put it in the rolls, okay? Alright, let's season the rice. We are using short grain rice, aka sticky rice. This will gonna be more suitable for the roll itself. And then today we're gonna use the seasoning is a lot of sesame oil and salt. That's it. Sesame oil and salt. We don't need vinegar. We don't need sugar. We don't need kombu for the flavor. Simple as this. Sesame oil and salt. I realized that sometimes people doesn't like the strong flavor of the sesame oil itself. So again, if you are not a fan of sesame oil, that's totally fine. You're gonna add vegetable oil instead. Okay? And we're gonna cool it down a little bit. Finally, let's start assembling and rolling part. Make sure your hands are wet with the water or wear gloves. You can put a touch of oil on your glove when you're doing this so it's not sticking on your hand. Or if you don't have a glove, that's totally fine. just put cold water on your hand. Now, when you're spreading rice on the seaweed, make sure the edges are covered properly. Because we're gonna put some ingredients in the middle part, at the end of the day, after you roll it, they will all holding each other together, and then keep it tight. So you don't have to put too much rice in the middle part. And if you are on diet, you can reduce the rice amount and then replace with, say, like salad mix. You can put anything in there, like I said, as you wish. There is a two different way of rolling rolls. I'm gonna show you two different methods. One with the bamboo mat. Two without it. Okay, we're gonna start without it, because not everyone has bamboo mat at their home, unless you like bought it a long time ago and forget about it and it's summer in your house. Still, doesn't matter. If you have a mat, amazing. It'll make it a little bit easier. If you don't, that's still fine. I'll show you how to do it. So once you put all the ingredients, we're gonna start from the back. There's a reason why I put the hard ingredients in the front, so you can hold it, and then while soft ingredients are covered with the seaweed and rice, and then you can roll it over with the hard ingredients front. Remember, hard ingredients in front or soft ingredients back. And then damp your hands in the water, put it in the edge of the seaweed, and we're gonna hold each other together very well. Let's see. Look at that. You cannot even tell it was apart to each other before, eh? Now, we're gonna brush some oil on top of the seaweed. This will gonna help them not drying out while you're keeping them, but also add some flavor into it. Again, I'm using sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil or don't like sesame oil, you can use vegetable oil. It will gonna be the same thing. Now, let's use the bamboo mat. Put the seaweed on top. Rest of the procedures are same. And then, once we put all the ingredients on it, what we're gonna do, roll seaweed with a bamboo mat itself, and then hold it, tie it up, and then roll it again. At the end, don't worry if it's not gonna work or not, just go for it. And then, look at that. It's rolled. Tight. It's not breaking it up. Round, great shape. If you're still not sure, don't worry. I'm gonna post another video, just me rolling this gimbap in different angles to help you, okay? When you're cutting gimbap, make sure you wet your knife with the water. It's gonna help your knife cut it through really nice and smooth, like you're cutting the butter. And after that, make sure you wipe your knife right away, because the stickiness of the rice will gonna stuck in the knife, and then at the end of the day, it's gonna be hard to wash it. You see, to me, gimbap is comfort food. When I was a kid, when I go school trip, my mom made it for me, or sometimes she just gave me money to go buy it. And after that, when I go vacation, like I need a quick bite, I just go to the quick gimbap restaurant, buy one gimbap. Or even if when I like go to work in a rush, you just go pay. They already have pre-made. Grab it, eat it. It's good. It's easy. It's delicious. It's convenient. Only thing is that it's a lot of prep to do. To be honest with you, yeah. The rolling itself is not that hard once you get used to it, but the prepping all the ingredients going in it, it's a lot of work to do. To be honest with you, yeah. But again, it's fun to make. And it's delicious. Please check out my shorts if you want to see my mukbang with this. And don't forget, Mallangs, subscribe and like, please. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.